Hi there, this is just a little video to continue from a previous video which I mentioned GCF Global, and GCF Global is a free online resource for everything from Microsoft Word to PowerPoint to Excel to how to write the perfect CV to being able to use a digital camera. So everything is there on GCF Global, but what you can also look on there is videos, and with the video section, you can actually get all the videos come to you on your YouTube page. So it will collate all the videos in one area, and then you've got everything there to follow as a lesson. So what you need to do is, in Google, for example, type in GCF Global and then Excel or whatever you want to use, Word for example, and then click on this where it says free Excel or free Word tutorials at GCF Global. So just click on that, and here you can choose which Excel that you have. So if you've got 16, 13, 10 for example, and they go lower down to older versions, previous versions. So if I go to Excel 2013, click on there, and instead of going through the lessons here, which are fantastic, you can go step by step, you can just go straight to this section which says go to your YouTube playlist. And if you do a left click on this, YouTube will open up. Now you don't have to have a YouTube page for this. If you do have a YouTube page, the advantage of that is you can comment, you can also like, you can share it with other people, and you can save them to your area as well, so you can watch all the time. If not a problem. You can just click on that link, and then you can just always YouTube will just open up for you, and you can just go through. So here, as you can see, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and it just continues down, and everything goes step by step. Really recommend it, really good. Here on the left hand side, you can click on here, it takes you back to all the text-based tutorials. So let's say if I click, I'm going to skip the first one, the new feature, and I'm just going to click on this one, the second one. So just do a left click on here.
Goodwill Community Foundation, so creating opportunities for a better life.
And here in the bottom, you can pause by clicking on the pause button. Press play to replay it.
Excel 2013 is a spreadsheet program that allows,
as you can see there, you can also, I'll just play it.
Store, organize, and analyze information.
K in brackets, which means if you press K on your keyboard, that will toggle between pausing and stopping. That's very useful. Here you can replay, so you can go back. Here you can go forward. And what's good about using videos like this is you can watch, pause, go back, pause, go forward, and you can just do that all the time. So you can work at your own pace, which is very useful. Here's your volume or mute. If you click on this on the speaker here, it will mute it, and you get a line through. Click it again, will unmute it. Here it tells you the duration. So currently I'm 18 seconds in out of 4 minutes 17 seconds. Moving across, so you've got different options. So subtitles, if there are. So in this case there are. So you can have subtitles as well. Next to that you've got your settings, which is this little cog here. And you can choose the speed. So if you find that the speed is a little bit too fast, like Alvin and the Chipmunks, this is where you can change the speed by clicking here and changing the speed. Or if you find it slow like this, then you can also change it. So the settings, very, very useful. Your quality, subtitles, again, there might be different languages. It depends on the videos that you're looking at. Obviously the quality, so you can change that. So if you feel it doesn't look particularly very good, or it's taking too long to download, then by changing that, it might be a little bit faster if you go for a lower quality level, and the video might play faster because you can download it faster. Mini player, so that will go into a little mini screen. Cinema mode, if you want it as a cinema, so it goes in that sort of with the black sections around here. But generally, I just go to this one, which is the full screen, which, as you can see here, it says F, which is the shortcut on your keyboard. So if you click on here, that then gives you the full screen, and then you can go down and click on play.
Create contact lists, budgets, invoices, and just about anything else you can imagine. When you open Excel, there's a good chance you'll be taken to the Start screen first. From here, you can access recent workbooks or create something new, either from scratch or from a template. In this example, we'll click Blank Workbook. Next, you might want to take a minute to explore the interface and make sure you know your way around. Why don't we begin with the ribbon, which is the collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. The ribbon is divided into tabs like Page Layout, Insert, and Home, so you can easily find what you're looking for.
To come out of this screen, you can press Escape. That will then make the screen smaller, will minimize it for you. So definitely worth using. You can go through the videos, as I said. Everything's there in order. You can go back, you can go forward, you can skip certain things that you want. And as I said, if you do have a YouTube sign-in page, if you sign in with your own Gmail account, or you can sign in with your email account, what the advantage of that is you can obviously like, share, put comments, and you can save them as well to your area. And what's brilliant is you can subscribe. As you can see, mine is subscribed, so whenever they put a new video on, that will come to me as well. So very, very useful. So I definitely recommend GCF Global, or in this case gcflearnfree.org. Everything's on there, or as I put it in Google, straight into Google, GCF Global Excel, and then click follow the links, takes you to YouTube, and you can use that. And this isn't only for this site, for so many things. You can go type in Microsoft.com YouTube page, see what comes up. If you use Apple, same thing, apple.com YouTube page, see what comes up. Very, very useful. Definitely recommend to use it, and have fun learning. Thank you.